Bonjour, bienvenue sur ma chaîne YouTube. Comme d'habitude, as usual, voici les Remote Learning Reminder. 1. Travaillez sur une feuille de papier ou sur votre Google Doc. 2. Écrivez la date en français, le titre en français et en anglais, ainsi que les objectifs. 3. Regardez la vidéo YouTube. 4. Appuyez sur pause quand vous devez faire l'exercice. 5. Corrigez vos exercices. 6. Nommez chaque exercice. 7. Une fois que vous avez fini, mettez en pièce jointe votre travail sur Google Classroom et appuyez sur Submit. 8. Faites le SEQ, le Student Engagement Questionnaire, s'il y en a un, if there is one. The key instruction, écoutez, je répète, voilà la réponse, vérifiez vos réponses. Nous travaillons sur le module les villes. We've done already le temps, the weather. Les points cardinaux, compass points. Places in town, les endroits en ville. Les activités en ville, activities in town. Et aujourd'hui, and today, we are doing les directions, direction, so giving direction. This is the last part of this module, which means that the following week we will have a revision. Voici le titre, l'objectif et la belle task. So le titre is Où est le parc? Where is the park? L'objectif, the objective is in purple, to learn direction in French. Maybe I should have put an S. It's up to you to decide. Your belle task is to complete each sentence with one of the words below. And you have a challenge, which is to translate the 5 sentences above it. Appuyez sur pause. Please pause and have a go. 3, 2, 1. Voilà la réponse. Vérifiez vos réponses. Now, I would like you to look at this sentence that's going to appear and to tell me if they are grammatically correct or not, by putting a tick if correct or a cross if not. However, let me give you a reminder before I show you the sentence. Il y a un is there is a, plus a masculine noun. For example, il y a un stade, there is a stadium. Un, remember, means one, a, or an, and it will be only in front of masculine noun. Il y a une, it's there is a, but in front of a feminine noun. That's why there is a e added to un. Il y a des, it means there are some, or they are followed by a plural noun. So if you want to say there are museums, or there are some museums, it will be il y a des musées. And finally, il n'y a pas de is there isn't any. So now that you have seen the reminder, please look at these 5 sentences, put a tick or a cross next to 1, a tick or a cross next to 2, 3, 4, 5, and your challenge is to correct the mistakes. So just refer to the reminder if you're not sure about the answers. Pause and have a go. 3, 2, 1. Voilà la réponse. Here are the answers. Now, let's do the direction as promised. So, il faut répéter après moi. You have to repeat after me. C'est à gauche. C'est à gauche, meaning it's on the left. C'est à gauche. Répétez après moi. C'est à droite. C'est à droite. It's on the right. C'est tout droit. C'est tout droit. As you can see in between brackets, I put how it sounds like. C'est tout droit. I'm sure you're used to the fact that the last letter you barely pronounce it, so we don't pronounce any of the T. C'est tout droit, it's straight ahead or it's straight on. C'est au carrefour. C'est au carrefour. It's at the crossroad. C'est au rond-point. C'est au rond-point. Remember when I put this little one between brackets, it means the sound one in French is un, peu, ou, un, point. Rond-point. It's at the roundabout. Now let's see. I read them from left to right and from top to bottom. Tout droit, straight ahead. Au rond-point, at the roundabout. Au carrefour, at the crossroad. À gauche, on the left. À droite, on the right. Now, one is going to disappear. Let's see if you can say the French. So, which one is disappearing? 3, 2, 1. It was au rond-point. Next. 1, 2, 3. It was tout droit. Next. Ensuite. 3, 2, 1. It was à droite, on the right. 3, 2, 1. It was à gauche, on the left. And the last one, au carrefour. Au carrefour has just disappeared. So now you have the 5 signs left. Try to see if you remember 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these words. It would be very, very good. But if you remember 1, it's already pretty amazing. And if you manage to remember some of them, then this next task is for you. One sign is going to disappear and you have to try to say which one disappeared. So let's see. Ooh. So which one was it? 3, 2, 1. It was c'est tout droit. Ensuite, next. 3, 2, 1. It was à droite, on the right, à droite. Next. It was, 3, 2, 1. It was à gauche, on the left, à gauche. Next. 3, 2, 1. It was au carrefour, at the crossroad. And the one left is, I'll let you think about it if you remember it. It's with the one at the end in French. It's round. So it's au rond-point, a round dot, rond-point, at the roundabout. Now, you have 4 possibilities. 1, c'est à gauche. 2, c'est à droite. 3, c'est tout droit. 4, c'est au carrefour. The picture is going to disappear little by little, and you have to decide which number it is. So you can shout out the number, or you can write it on your piece of paper. You can call this exercise disappearing sign, disappearing image, but here it is. Can you guess which direction is it? 3, 2, 1. It was c'est à droite. It's on the right. Next one. I can hear some of you already guessed. It was c'est au carrefour. Next one. Ensuite. Some of you already guessed. Vous avez deviné? Yes, 3, 2, 1. It was c'est à gauche. Connaissez? Bravo, 3, 2, 1. C'est tout droit, number 3. It's straight on, straight ahead. And finally, and that's good for the guess. Look on the right-hand side and decide. Yes. 3, 2, 1. It was number 1. C'est au rond-point. Okay, so now I would like you to write down the vocabulary in your book because it's important for you to remember the vocabulary. So please write down all the French and all the English. I remind you, c'est à droite. It's on the right. C'est à gauche. It's on the left. C'est tout droit. It's straight ahead or straight on. C'est au carrefour. It's at the crossroad. C'est au rond-point. It's at the roundabout. And you have a challenge, which is Translate, the shop is on the right, the ice rink is straight ahead. And I color-coded it so you can see the is in green, so you can find the is in French in green as well. Pause and have a go. 3, 2, 1. Voilà la réponse. Le magasin est à droite. The shop is on the right. La patinoire est tout droit. The ice rink is straight ahead. Now, very quick one. It's much numbers and letters. Is to see how many places in town you remember. So can you please pause and have a go by matching the numbers and the letter. If you want to do the challenge, you can. Is do you remember the French for the museum? Pause and have a go. 3, 2, 1. Voilà les réponses. Vérifiez vos réponses. Check your answer. Vérifiez vos réponses. Last exercise, complete the map in English after reading the text. So, you just have to read the text and decide what is number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Pause and have a go. 3, 2, 1. Voilà les réponses. And vous êtes ici, written in red, means you are here. So it's something that you need to know. And that's it. Go you, brain training time, go on Quizlet and revise the vocabulary. This is the end of part 1 about direction. Merci, au revoir.